Hi, this is Emily, one of the writing tutors in the Jaguar Tutoring and Writing Center. This tutorial focuses on how to format the title page of your paper using the 9th edition of the Modern Language Association Style Guide. MLA is the most commonly used style for formatting academic papers, so it is very likely that you will have to use it sometime during your academic career. While MLA does have guidelines for creating a title page, most professors will ask you to create just a header. Here you can see the basic elements of the header and where they should be placed on the page. Note that the pagination for your paper begins on the first page in the upper right corner. This should be placed at a 1/2 inch margin from the top of the page and include your last name and the page number. Remember, if you place this in the header, the same information will appear on every page. You will need to make sure each page is numbered correctly. Another thing to note is that the date is formatted as day, month, year, with no commas. Here is an example of an MLA 9 paper, as it would actually look on a student header. In case you're wondering, lorem ipsum is a common filler used for examples. Note the margins and the spacing. We have 1-inch margins all around, except for the page number, of course. We also have 1 space between each element. Do not add additional spaces. It's that simple. If you have questions about formatting a paper header for MLA 9, you can reach out to the following resources either by visiting the library or the library's webpage. Thanks for listening, and good luck with your paper.